this question?
Carvel on the beat.
Good morning, guys. I am sick and it's snowing outside my window. Look at the snow. Today, all my classes were canceled and I'm supposed to be leaving, heading to New York, I think at 5 o'clock. But I'm gonna get ready right now. It's 10 o'clock to see if I can catch earlier Greyhound. Let's see how today turns out. So they're gonna be checking rooms while we're gone. So we're cleaning up right now and making our little corner nice and tidy, as you guys can see. Okay, that's my suitcase. Yeah, we have to clean up the side.
You're mad loud.
Look at the trash. So now I'm going downstairs to throw out our trash because we have mad trash.
Not that one.
Honestly? What the fuck? What the hell? Yo! No. No! The hat! The hat. Oh, hell no. This shit is... The wind is pushing me. No. Okay. No. There's a bus that takes around campus and we thought it didn't work today because classes were canceled. But do y'all hear that sound? We're gonna see if we can wait for it because this shit is no joke. They didn't warn us about that. I couldn't fucking walk. My too skinny ass legs, that shit. Look. Hey guys, so we made it to the Greyhound station and the next bus we were able to catch, well not catch, we were able to get a ticket, but we had to pay $20. Y'all, my ticket in general was $128 and now I had to pay extra $20. But it's fine, I get to go home early, so now I have to wait like 2 hours. It's 12:38 and the bus comes at 3 something. Great. Alright, I bought us lunch, well breakfast, well food. Where's my hash browns? A bagel with butter and hash browns. Lit. Hey guys, I am back in the city. I'm gonna catch a train. Catch y'all later. Y'all, it is definitely a struggle to travel in the city with a motherfucking suitcase. Like, I look like I'm a fucking, what's that shit called? Tourist. I am a native, okay? Ooh, shit, alright. Fuck. I made it. Look who we have here who's not out. Oh my god. Look at him. Alright, we're not finna godly. Hi guys, I am finally home. I am tired and I went through the struggle on that bus. So tell me how I'm waiting for it, right? I have to change my ticket and the bus comes. I got on the bus, there are no seats. Like there were only like 3 single seats and I'm like, I want to sit next to my friend. They were all separated. Like we need a 2-seater. That's fine. There's a second bus. We get on that bus, it's packed as well. So I had to end up sitting like towards the back of the bus by myself and my friends in the front, and then later on I moved towards the front. But I am tired, I'm home and I'm finna go to sleep. Bye guys.